I'm going to set up a smart plug. It's a plug I got. It's a multi-strip plug, and it's called Teckin. Teckin. And I've got it plugged in, but I'm gonna walk you through the processes of what it take. It looks like this right here out the package. And what you want to do is plug it in first. And once you plug it in, you should have rapid blinks. And then what you want to do is install the Smart Life app. And here go the process of installing the Smart Life app. And you just agree to the terms and policies. I use my email address, and I already got this set up, and because I have another plug also, but I'm gonna just show you the process of how to set it up if it's your first time doing it. So you just follow these steps. Like I said, the light is blinking twice. Once it's installed, hit the plus and hit other. You can just add a device. And what you want to do is confirm it and make sure you have your Wi-Fi plugged in right there where it says you have to have 2.4 gigs. And now it's connecting. It's really that simple. It's not that much to it. And I noticed that I had to put mine right up against the plug to get it correct, to get it to install a little faster and to get it to work. Once it's installed, it's going to say successful, and then you look at your app and it'll be on there, and you could turn it on, you click it. And the neat thing about this, you could turn on each individual one, or you could turn them all on at one time. So you can plug up to 4 different things into this smart plug, and it got the USB for charging your phones and everything. So, and plus you can use the Alexa app also